Here's a quick video on how to remove the hard drive on a PS3 if you want to upgrade it to a solid state or you just want more space. Basically, first you gotta pop this door open. Sorry about the shaky camera. There's gonna be a little Phillips screw in there. Pop that out, and then you slide this guy over on the front, and then you can pull the hard drive out. Here's the hard drive caddy, and here's the hard drive that you would replace. There's just a little clip there and there. There's a couple clips holding it in to the caddy, and that's it. And first, make sure you unplug the power and shut it down all the way. Give me a like if you like these quick, easy videos. Thanks.